Your Excellency, there is a serious controversy over this Operation Wealth Creation money. Me as Boss Miko team, the president of NEA, Northern Entertainers Association, I want to say there is a lot of controversy in this Operation Wealth Creation money. My fellow singers from the region, suggest that through your directives, we should have this money given region by region. It's a request that the central singers from Buganda, singers from the south, singers from elsewhere, should get their money from their region, so that the confusion that is too much in Gulu at the moment should stop. Because we have seen so many artists who claims to be more superior than us. We have seen these scenarios whereby so many artists from Central, in specific, from Central, artists from Central coming to Gulu to disorganize us, to disrespect our people, doing concerts at night in this time of COVID, disrespecting our bylaws that govern us here, that protects us, by staging shows at night, anyhowly and everywhere, without shame, calling us names, insulting us, and telling us they are superior to us. We don't need, we as Northern Uganda, take this very clear, Boss Miko Original. In the past, we were neglected. In the past, we were minimized. In the past, we were underrated. But now you cannot do such anymore. We are grown-up men who knows exactly what we need and what we deserve. What do I mean? I want to strongly warn whoever thinks that bringing central artists to control Northern Uganda is a solution for his selfish need. Serious warning to the greedy men there. Your Excellency, I want to say, if at all you want the whole process, I am talking in the capacity of mobilizer NRM Greater North, in the capacity of flag bearer, NRM flag bearer, Kitgumchua West, in the capacity of President NEA. Your Excellency, I hope you know, Your Excellency, I hope you know that if there is a people, if there is a group, if there is a family that should have been supported, then it is Northern Uganda singers, as in the Greater North singers. Why? During time of war, when our people were in camps, IDP camps, during the insurgency, it has been we, the singers of Northern Uganda, to console our people by giving them hope through our inspiration songs. When war got over, we thought some individuals like me and others would be recognized and appreciated for consoling the nation instead of Bosmic, instead of Bol Simple Man, instead of Jerry Okwera, instead of Temporal Mona, instead of Opio Tuangweno, instead of Roslyn Otim, and so many other artists from northern Uganda. These are legends. So it is high time Coordinator Operation Wealth Creation comes out and tell us exactly the amount that has been given to us, so that no one cross line to go and fight the other. Your Excellency, I wish you could consider the legends of northern Uganda music and the singers of northern Uganda music of today in a big way. I would appreciate.
My name is Jago Fred. My stage name is the Juggler, the Juggling Master. I am the chairperson of Kitgum United Music Artists Association. Today, I called all these artists to make sure we clarify on whatever they've been reading online, be it Facebook, Twitter, and wherever, social media, that somebody came from Central to take away our money, and I am tired of receiving calls. But today with this message, I think everyone who has a ear to listen will know that Northern Uganda is an autonomous body, which does not need to be connected to maybe Operation Wealth Creation through another person who is not in Northern Uganda. Northern Uganda is under the umbrella Northern Entertainers Association with various factions, Kihuma, Men, ABCD, name them. We are under NEA. NEA is for every artist in Northern Uganda. I now want to make also this clear, that artists who have come under one umbrella, under Northern Entertainers Association, it will be a shame if after you get this money, you begin running away with the money and people fail to get it. That is going to be another fight. But I believe in my brother Bosmic. He has never disappointed anybody. He has never run away with anybody's money. If it was done, it wasn't in my knowledge. Now, before we can even receive the money, I want to advise our artists that the day you get the money, put it in good use. After getting the money, I don't want to see artists drinking and not investing whatever they get. Because government will not help you every day. Today, they have a lot of people to help. So if you get it today, put it in good use.
I'm totally pissed. Because as a DJ in this northern part of the country, things have not been well channeled into our sides as musicians or performing our fraternity. One of the reasons which has brought a lot of anger is the access to government funds and money, like the one currently circling around. We have no hope as DJs, as musicians in the part of Kitgum. We have no hope. Probably will never even touch the money. But no matter what, we want to send out our voice that whatever is meant for us, please, government, widen your lens. Let us receive it, be it the DJs, be it the MCs, the musicians, the comedians. As of current situation, people are suffering, there's no money, there's no food. So please, widen your lenses, try to do your search well, and stop this issue of giving out what belongs to Northern Uganda to be handled by a central artist. We have other artists here who can do this.
I had traveled from Latanya sub-county, Langang village, Bade district. When we talk of Chiuma, meaning Kitgum United Artists Association, it engulfed us, the artists, from these various parts of East Acholi. As a gospel artist from Pade district, I want to say this. If something is given for a certain group of people, let it be for them. Let us also quote from the Bible, from the time of Jesus. Jesus told this gentleman who brought the coin that take what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. If the government is giving support to the Artists Association of Northern Region, it is not for only the artists in Acholi, means the West Nile, even the Lao sub-region. So please, let what is meant for the Greater North be for the Greater North. Let what is meant for the Greater North be for the Greater North. And without shame, let the artists take it in good faith. Chala Chuli, one of the charo. Kai deep that we take, we hope it ori. Actually take me. Actually take me. Let us leave what is meant for northern people for the Greater North. We don't need any other passion. I wish I can speak directly to the person giving us the support.
I am not happy in the first place because in all circumstances, we, the Kitgum artists, we are always sidelined in issues concerning anything that comes into northern Uganda or anything that comes into any part of Uganda. I don't know whether we belong to Uganda. When we are also giving our services to the government of this country, Uganda. I would like to also follow my brothers on this issue of these central people coming to grab our money. I can say grab, because coming to take something that does not belong to you, that is already grabbing. You are trying to get into something that does not belong to what? To you. And I want to comment on these people. Those people who are clicking maybe to connive with the central people since they think they are bigger, that they should make a deal, that at least they should steal our money. No way. I would like to warn you, you will not go through. We shall go on street and strike. We shall go on street and strike if we try to do anything that we may not understand.
I feel like it's a special day because it takes a lot of time for us to meet like this. I want to give a message to my brothers outside there. Mostly my brothers in Gulu. Northern Uganda is not only Gulu. Northern Uganda carries a lot of districts and sub-regions. So if we want to achieve something, we need to come as one. You will never go and join a group for this our Buganda brothers and think that you're going to gain anything from it. Ask yourself, why are they running from there, coming here? The specific people, they're leaving other people there. And they're coming this side to grab the little that is given for the people in northern Uganda. They want to also go back with it. Let us come and unite as one, under one group. Leave alone the team of Osai, over the Romeos and what. Let us just come together and stand as one. Then we can make northern Uganda great.